Bitcoin explained in simple terms, 2025 edition. Let's make this simple. Bitcoin is digital money, but not like your bank app. It's not printed, not controlled by a government, and doesn't live in a vault. Bitcoin is money that runs on math, not trust. In this video, you'll learn what Bitcoin actually is, why people use it, how it works, and why it still matters in 2025. You don't need to be a tech expert. We'll break it all down, step by step. Crypto assets are high risk. You could lose all the money you invest. No consumer protection. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone, or a group, using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It was the first cryptocurrency, and it started a revolution. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer digital currency that lets anyone send money globally, no banks involved. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized, no one controls it, and it runs on thousands of computers. Why Bitcoin exists? Before Bitcoin, money was managed by banks and governments, but that trust was fragile. Bitcoin offers a fixed supply, only 21 million coins will ever exist. No inflation. No printing. It's transparent, every transaction is on the blockchain, and secured by cryptography. Bitcoin is global. Anyone with internet access can use it, no gatekeepers, no borders. The power of decentralization. No central bank. No single authority. Instead, Bitcoin is powered by a network of computers called nodes. These nodes follow a set of public rules coded into Bitcoin, open source and available to all. Blockchain made simple. The blockchain is like a giant notebook that records every Bitcoin transaction. Every 10 minutes, a new page is added. That page is called a block. Once added, it can't be changed. The whole network has a copy. This is what makes Bitcoin secure, no one can cheat the system. Mining explained. New blocks are created by miners, people with powerful computers solving math puzzles. The first to solve the puzzle adds the block and earns new Bitcoin as a reward. This process keeps the network secure and ensures new Bitcoin is released fairly. Mining is how Bitcoin stays decentralized and honest, everyone plays by the same rules. What people use Bitcoin for? Bitcoin is used for many things today, not just speculation. People use it to store value, send money abroad, avoid inflation, and even donate to causes. It's popular in countries with unstable currencies, like Venezuela, Nigeria, and Argentina. In those places, Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a lifeline. Bitcoin versus traditional money. Traditional money is inflationary, banks print more all the time. Bitcoin has a hard cap. It's deflationary and transparent. With fiat, you trust banks. With Bitcoin, you trust code and cryptography. How Bitcoin gives you control. Bitcoin puts you in charge of your money, not your bank. You can send or receive anytime, anywhere, even at 3 a.m. on a Sunday. No one can freeze your account or deny you access. Bitcoin in 2025. Bitcoin is now held by individuals, hedge funds, pension funds, and even governments. It's recognized as legal property in dozens of countries and integrated into major financial systems. There are ETFs, crypto banks, regulated exchanges, and even Bitcoin credit cards. Real-world adoption. Companies like Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy hold Bitcoin in their treasuries. Bitcoin ATMs exist in over 80 countries. Bitcoin is no longer a fringe idea, it's a global financial asset. The scarcity factor. Only 21 million BTC will ever exist. Over 19 million have already been mined. This scarcity is why some call Bitcoin digital gold. Myths debunked. Bitcoin is a scam. False. It's open source and audited globally. It's only used for crime. Less than 1% of crypto use is illicit, lower than fiat. It wastes energy. Mining is increasingly green, and energy use supports security. Other common misconceptions. It's too late. People said that at $10, $1,000, $10,000. It's dead. Bitcoin has died in headlines over 400 times. And it's still here. Governments will ban it. Most now regulate it instead of banning it. Real risks to understand. Volatility. Bitcoin can rise or drop 10% in a day. If you panic sell or over-leverage, you can lose money fast. Safety tips and wallet basics. Use secure, regulated exchanges. Move your BTC to a personal wallet. Write down your seed phrase. Store it offline. Never share your private keys. How to buy Bitcoin. Sign up on a platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Verify your identity. Deposit funds. Buy a small amount to start, even £10. Learn as you go. Keep it simple. Stay safe.